Hey everybody, thanks for coming back this week for another Sustainability Sunday. We've had a great few weeks talking about our electricity usage here at the ski area. Thought the month of December, as more and more of you are starting to travel and come on out to enjoy a ski day with us, it'd be a good time to shift gears and talk a little bit about transportation, the emissions that go along with it, and some of the stuff we've got going on around here to eliminate some of those transportation emissions and make everybody's travel day a little bit easier and smoother when you're coming skiing at the Basin this year. As recently as 2020, transportation is still the largest contributor to US greenhouse gas emissions. Accounts for about 27% of our overall emissions profile here in the US. Narrowly edging out the last few weeks' topic of electricity generation. And of that chunk of emissions, 27%, over half of it comes from the light and medium duty vehicles that you and I use to go skiing and riding, or to go to the grocery store, or anything else in our day-to-day lives. The EPA also estimates that just under 1 pound of carbon emissions is generated for every gallon of gasoline that we burn. So for the average A-Basin day trip of just over 100 miles, we're talking about over 100 pounds of CO2 just for coming up to the Basin for the day. So we've got a number of really great solutions and programs for you to get involved in. A quick plug for one, speaking of those personal emissions, you can always enroll in the A-Basin Snow Huggers Club, which comes with Colorado Carbon Fund emissions offsets directly related to your ski season travel. You can check out the link and we'll talk more about that in later Sustainability Sundays. But the other thing other than emissions, of course, is getting here on the weekends or around the holidays. Those busy times can be challenging. There's a lot of traffic on I-70. We have periodic, difficult traffic days here on Loveland Pass. We know that Summit County gets very congested. Going to the grocery store gets difficult on the weekends. And all of that is from the sheer number of low occupancy or single occupancy personal vehicles like what we drive every day. So we've got a ton of solutions to help take some of those vehicles off the road, especially when it comes to your A-Basin travel. We're going to spend the next few weeks talking about all of those things and other stuff you can do to help limit your transportation-related emissions. We will see you then.